ICC freezes money seized from Duterte during his arrest. Sabi ng council yan. Ito ay article ng Inquirer.net mga kaibigan. The International Criminal Court or ICC Trial Chamber 3 has granted the prosecution's request to freeze the money seized from former President Rodrigo Duterte during his arrest back in March 2025. So mga kaibigan, nung inaresto po siya sa NAIA ata yun, kung di ako nagkakamali, nung nakaraang taon, ay meron pong nakuha ang ICC na pera na i-freeze ng ICC para walang mahagalaw, di ba? So, mamaya alamin natin kung magkano ba yung freeze na ito. Tingnan natin. This ruling was contained in a document made public on Friday, June 26, where Duterte's counsel, Peter Haynes, responded to the prosecution's request to access items obtained by the ICC registry at the time of Duterte's arrest and transferred to the court's custody. Ito yung sabi sa document mga kaibigan. The trial chamber granted the prosecution's request to freeze any money that had been seized and further ordered the registry to provide an inventory of the items obtained from Mr. Duterte upon his arrest. So, sinasabi dito na kukunin na ng prosecution. Hindi pa rin kukunin. Yung binigyan ng trial chamber ng basta ginran. Binigay nila yung request ng prosecution na i-freeze lahat ng pera na nakuha nila nung naaresto si Duterte. Pero mga kaibigan, ito na, 'di ba? Tinatanong natin, magkano yung na-freeze, 'di ba? However, it was not specified how much money Duterte actually had during the time of his arrest or his father. So, hindi pala nila sinabi. Pero hindi natin alam kung magkano, ha? Baka mamaya 20 lang daw, ganyan. Pinraise pa. O kaya naman iba yung presyo. O kaya may maleta. Ayun. Atay tayo dyan kung may maleta yan mga kaibigan. Di pa natin alam, tingnan natin kung saan gagamitin ng prosecution itong finraise na pera ni Duterte na hawak niya nung na-arresto siya nung ICC nung nakarang taon. Before this confirmation, Duterte's defense team had argued that there was no need to grant the prosecution's request to have any cash seized from Duterte frozen, as doing so would be unnecessary and pointless. Pero baka naman malaki nga yung halaga at hindi pointless ang pag-freeze dito, hindi ba? Yan titignan natin sa mga susunod na chapter nitong ICC Flix. Diba? Tapos na yung Senate Flix Buti naman natapos na yon. Dito naman tayo sa ICC Flix. Ito yung pinaka-inaabangan natin Meanwhile, in the same document, Duterte's defense team asked the court to deny. Yun lang. Ito nang deny tayo dito no? To deny the prosecution's request for access to a certain set of keys owned by Duterte. Ay, may susing dala pala si Duterte. Para saan yung susi na yun? Ito ba yung susi ng tagumpay? O susi ng malita? Malita na naman no? Also seized during his arrest yung mga susi na ngayon, currently in the registry's custody. It was on June 9 when the prosecution requested access to some of the items seized during Duterte's arrest, as well as all keys in the registry's custody. Parang gusto rin kunin ng prosecution itong mga susing dala ni Duterte nun. According to the defense team, among these requests, they only directly oppose the prosecution's request to access all keys in the registry's custody, tagging it as insufficiently substantiated and should be rejected. Ayun na naman tayo sa technical. Sa technical na hindi na pagkakaloob sa kanila. Pero sabi ng defense, kaugnay nito sa pagkuha ng prosecution ng mga susi ni Duterte. The request is, in substance, a fishing expedition. The prosecution advances no evidential basis connecting the keys either to the commission or furtherance of the alleged crimes or to any assets that may be relevant to the investigation. O dagdag pa, rather, the prosecution acknowledges that it does not know to what the case provide access, and then may redacted part na nakalagay, a matter that can be ascertained only after examination of the case themselves. Wala lang. Sinabi nila na sinabi ng defense Duterte na hindi naman alam ng prosecution kung saan ano yung mabubuksan ng susi na yon. Hindi ba? So, anong kwenta pa daw? Ba't ayun yung ipakuha, di ba? Ba't may kinakatakutan, di ba? The defense also further argued that the basis of such a request must exist before the investigation is undertaken, not emerge as a result thereof. Technical. The defense then urged the chamber to require that any additional prosecution's request for access to materials in the registry's custody be filed on or before June 30, 2026. Yun yung sinabi lang nila sa parang please naman pagbigyan nyo kami. Hanggang June 30 lang sila dapat magganyan. Bakit? Duterte is facing 3 counts of crimes against humanity due to his administration's bloody war against drugs, which killed at least 6,000 people based on government records and over 30,000 based on human rights records, including children as young as 3 years old. Didigay ako dyan. Ayun. Sa Royal siguro ininom ko. Anyway mga kaibigan, ano pong masasabi nyo sa pagka-freeze ng mga pera dito ni Duterte? Ito ba kaya ay may malaking halaga kaya tinutukan ng prosecution or ewan, di ba? Ano po masasabi nyo? Comment down below!